Next question 3.7 numerical. It is an electron have mass 9.1 10 to power s minus 31 kg traveling at 2 10 to power s 7 meter per second undergoes a head-on collision with hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom has mass 1.67 10 to power s minus 27 kilogram, which is initially at rest. So electron is moving with the speed of this one and collides with the hydrogen atom, which is at rest position. Assuming the collision to be perfectly elastic and motion to be along a straight line, find the velocity of hydrogen atom. We know that before collision hydrogen has the position rest, so we want that after collision what will be the velocity of hydrogen atom, which will not be zero after collision. So here we have the data. In the question we know that elastic collision, the collision will be perfectly elastic, means the momentum before and after will be conserved. Mass of an electron m1 9.1 10 to power minus 31 kilogram, velocity which is 2 10 to power 7 meter per second. Here the velocity of electron, the mass of electron, mass of hydrogen at rest position 1.6 10 to power minus 27 kilogram. Velocity v2 is equal to 0. v2 velocity means the rest. When hydrogen is at rest position, the velocity was, we know that, will be 0. Velocity of hydrogen atom before collision, we know here after collision. Velocity of hydrogen atom after collision we want to find. So we write v2 prime. We know that the collision is perfectly elastic, so we know the formula v2 prime. The v2 prime shows that hydrogen atom's velocity after collision, which is equal to m1 over m1 plus m2. This v1 is multiplying by this whole term. Similarly, v2 is multiplying by this whole term. We put all the values here, and the second term here will be 0 because v2 is 0. We know that hydrogen atom is at rest position, so v2 will be 0. The whole term will be 0 and we get the only this term here, and after calculating we find v2 prime, which is the final velocity after collision will be 2.178 10 to power is 4. But here we can write this according to significant numbers. We can write 2.178, we can write 2.18 10 to power is 4 meter per second.